Hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Sora. This is the new AI module created by the OpenAI. This is the parent company of the ChatGPT, and until now we are just generating the content in the text form. But after the launching or announcing this Sora, we can create the videos from text. And these are the some examples I am going to give you so you can understand what this Sora platform is capable by the OpenAI. So for example, you can see this is the kangaroo dancing on the floor with the disco lights, and this video is so amazing I cannot swipe away my eyes. Let me give you the another example. This is the another video that is generated by the Sora, and look at the clarity, look at the creativity, all the things are look so amazing that this is the mind-blowing. So if I talk about the Sora platform, this is the currently not available for the general public, but here on this page we are getting the idea what this platform or AI is capable of. There are some prompts and the demos they have given so you can understand what we can expect in the future. So this is the prompt: a stylish woman walks down in the Tokyo street, and look at the demo. If I scroll down below, there are the another great prompts and the demos available. So straight from this prompt, historical footage of California during the gold rush, and here it is the demo. Okay, and if I talk about the other demos as well, let me give you the one more, and this time straight away from. So this is the text prompt: a beautiful homemade video showing the people of Lagos, Nigeria in the year 2056, shot with the mobile phone camera. So this is the future concept video it is generated. Let me give you the. So this is the thing I'm talking about, and here are the other great demos I have given you. Let's talk about this one. It has generated for the multiple concepts for this things. Okay, so all you need to just enter the prompt. For example, let me add one more. So an animated scene feature a close-up short fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. The art in 3D and the realistic with the focus on lighting and the texture. Okay, and here is the result. You will be amazed. Okay, look at the detailings. The candle is melting out, the impressions on that monster, all these things that they generated by the Sora is the mind-blowing. So I'm really eager and excited to test out this tool, but windows are not open for the people right now, but in future we can expect it. And like the ChatGPT, this platform is also going to boom. So in this video I just have the motive to get you the introduce that what's currently going on with the OpenAI and the noise making with the Sora they are doing right now. Okay, and if you are using ChatGPT on your daily life, generating the content but getting the alert like AI detection content, then there's the video I have recently created on how you can bypass your AI content detected thing with this tool. That name is the ChatGPT, and here in this video I have talked in detail like how you can use this platform to bypass all the AI detectors and generate human-like content. So make sure to you also watch this video. The link will be given in the description. And bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe my channel for more upcoming SaaS tool reviews and comparisons.